Installing the YouTube Kids app on an Android phone in 2026 is very simple and only takes a few minutes if you follow the correct steps carefully. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Make sure your phone is connected to a stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, so the download does not get interrupted. Next, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type YouTube Kids. You will see several results appear, so carefully look for the official app developed by Google LLC. It is important to select the correct one to avoid downloading fake or unofficial apps. Once you find it, tap the install button. The app will begin downloading automatically, and depending on your internet speed, it may take a few seconds or a couple of minutes. After the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. When you open YouTube Kids for the first time, you will need to set it up. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign in with a parent account, verify your age, and agree to the required permissions. After that, you can create child profiles, choose content settings based on age groups, and enable parental controls for safer viewing. Finally, your child can start exploring safe, educational, and entertaining videos designed specifically for kids.